from all over Jamaica, representatives from 14 parishes descend on Black River St. Elizabeth for a grueling contest to see who is the pan champion. This is one of the largest jerk competitions in the home of jerk. With millions of dollars on the line, there will be a champion whose jerk has earned them $1 million. We took a journey to CB Pan Finals in St. Elizabeth. CB Foods relocated the finals to St. Elizabeth in the wake of Hurricane Beryl to help the people of St. Elizabeth. This is my journey to the CB Pan Finals in Black River, St. Elizabeth. First, they hooked us up with a car. I had to travel to KIG in Kingston. My first stop, which is a must stop for me, is Andy and Keisha at Border, on the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth.
So we have to make a stop at Border, right? It's Andy and Keisha, and get some fish. And of course we have to get some bami as well. Bami coming straight after the fire with logwood that is on it, and in that pot that's seasoned as well. So fish and bami on the way to Pan. On the road to Pan, there are many stops when traveling and going for food. There is Border right here on the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, right at Andy and Keisha, but there's the entire list of stalls that you can come support. There's fish, there's lobster, there's bami. Pepper knife.
Tune in for more from Border on the next episode. After all, it's the journey to Pan, not the Border journey. There is one must stop on the journey to St. Elizabeth. That stop is in Middle Quarters. Right before you get into Holland Bamboo, Middle Quarters is pepper shrimp country. And there's only one reason not to stop there. Maybe you're allergic, maybe you'll swell up. To that I say, buy some Benadryl and toughen up. Pepper shrimp embodies Jamaican cooking. Everybody have their own recipe, and everybody granny know how to cook it differently. This is Peaches, my shrimp link in Middle Quarters. For some of the most fresh, spicy, flavorful, and even sometimes she gets the old school Jamaican pepper shrimp. Unfortunately, she didn't have them this time.
Thank you.
Now that you're all caught up, it's time for this.
Wha Gwann, everybody. This is CB Pan Finals.
From all over Jamaica, representatives from 14 parishes descend on Black River St. Elizabeth for a grueling contest to see who is the pan champion. This is one of the largest jerk competitions in the home of jerk. With millions of dollars on the line, there will be a champion whose jerk has earned them $1 million.
Just a pan fest. The amount of chicken that is here is a boatloads of chicken. Like they bring the whole farm come down. Every pan has chicken, everybody have their own flavor, and everybody doing their own thing. It's a beautiful scene to see so many pans out and everybody cooking exactly how they cook. Nobody has their own same way of cooking, style of cooking, seasoning. It's just to each their own, and they made the best one win.
There's no entry fee, so while the competition goes on, guests can taste the chicken at $600 for a leg and thigh or $600 for a breast and wing.
Work. It's a reference in. That's why it's blend. You know what I'm saying? It's like well, so.
Alright.
You see it? Dripping off like season. Live season.
Yes. Nice.
Let me do it like this. On the grill.
Yeah, man.
On the grill. This is the lemon time.
Yeah, man. Alright.
I asked for pork and pan chicken. Let me taste that right away.
Yours are working? Your taste buds ready? So you guys will be blindfolded and they're going to be giving you
first taste of the pan home.
what you say? Oh, best I think, big up better.
That's the season.
We said team legal times, your best I think.
Not overpowering with the seasoning, but very nice the season. I like a little more seasoning on mine, but
Each.
nice crust, nice thing,
What's the big
very
nice
juicy.
cup and a cup of them again?
It's hot, it's juicy, and the seasoning is caked onto it. It's loaded with seasoning. Perfectly cooked. You can't ask for a better cooked chicken than that. It's literally perfectly cooked.
How they ready for this here? Now come over here, so get up. Get up. Get up, man. Get up. The sun gone in, the cast of the sun.
Well, General. Look who I run into. You remember that roadside where we did the jerk chicken with Sonny? If they do the jerk chicken for Sonny and best ever food show. Right on the road in a port under sun. Mix up the spice and show him secret. So I go and run everything left.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. I'll tell you the time, brother. It's good.
Yeah.
Pan contest. There have a lot of women that are on the jerk pan doing them things and putting out their flavors as well. It's not just the men in the competition. That's something that's really nice to see. Tell me about it.
Wait.
I'm going. Rana, what you have over here?
Yes, so I have the smoked rosemary jerk chicken.
Ooh.
Yes. And it's topped up with a pineapple rosemary sauce. And we have our nice jerk pickle. So if you've ever been to Little Ochi as well as seafood restaurant, you get that scallion, onion and pepper naturally done. And it tastes really good and the chicken when it's done.
Very good.
Thank you. And this is the rosemary sauce. So it's like the rosemary is boiled, and then we add the pineapple juice to it with ginger and all the lovely Walker's Wood. Walker's Wood is one of our brands, so we don't know the Walker's Wood will taste really good in it. Yes.
Set me up right now. Set me up right now. That leg and tie have my name.
Oh, so look a bit though.
Alright.
Move it, make it go on.
Yes, so the color really nice and juicy, realize? No burn, really slow cooked. And we have persons already ordered and paid after the slow come back.
Go on slow.
Yes.
So where are you located?
I'm located in Elsha Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. Can't go on it, mommy. We have to put on one side of it. Oh, and that's my mother, my assistant.
That's awesome. That's wicked.
One so a little bit on the other side. And this is seasoned from Wednesday. So
Wednesday after some Corona?
Yes, and this is a beer seasoning. So we blend the beer with all the natural ground seasoning. So it's no water added to the blending. It's just the pimento, your onion, your scallion, pepper, and all the walkers or the rubbings in it. No artificial season. It's just the red stripe beer well soaked in it as well.
Beer also acts as a tenderizer,
Yes.
so it's supposed to be very soft after.
It is. And you see the chicken well nice, no burn, the slow cook. Like mine. Well slow cooked. That is how it's been done. No, you can't go on it. That can't, remember I said the chicken there yourself, so we can't mix the chicken and the wing in that. See the grill marks on it?
Oh, don't make it jump.
It will come off. It will come off, but it look like it really go down from the grill at that part. You see it? And you see the breast don't dry out. It's not dry out. It's juicy. Each of them is juicy. And that's what you want from a jerk chicken. You don't really want it dry out. You really want the moist and all the juice that run out of it just like that. Alright, now leg on tire almost ready. Love that. Soon ready. Next 10 minutes and you're ready.
Next 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because they realize this part, see? It's all ready. So that's just this side and it's ready to go. Remember the beer already when you named everything about it, you know. Just well soaked. There ain't no raw chicken over here.
No raw chicken.
No raw chicken over
So you
here.
make it soak.
Yeah, no raw chicken over here. The judges went really wild for the jerk-on because it was a jerk-on beer. So the beer was soaked with a natural blended season and rub it right up with the walkers wood in it. It tastes really spicy. So it's a blend of sweet and spicy. Yeah.
And the chicken is rosemary.
The rosemary chicken bad. It's a pineapple rosemary chicken.
So how you get the pineapple in there? What you use for pineapple?
No, man, we use the natural pineapple,
pineapple?
and then we add the grace pineapple. So it was two, so it make it more even stronger.
So it also make it more tender.
And
Pineapple
more
is a tenderizer as well.
Yeah,
Along,
it's really
along with the beer.
yeah, it's really nice.
A quick dash of our rosemary pineapple barbecue sauce, then topped with fresh onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and scallion.
So this is the picture. The corn is coming up here. It's already on the grill. You want bread with it? You want bread? Just the corn? Alright, just the corn as you alright.
2 little balls. So
That chicken is really tender. It's nicely seasoned and extremely moist. I love that she put the fresh seasoning on top. She said it was similar to what they do with Little Ochi, and it really is. Look at that, the onion and the scallion, little pepper on it as well. That hint of rosemary. A nice departure from the traditional jerk. It's very innovative, and the beer tenderizes it. Look at the scotch bonnet pepper and everything on that. It's really good.
This know what the thing with it.
Thank you.
Recording.
I'm eating.
Are you here?
Still off already, my
Yeah,
boss.
man, that's still off already, you know.
Yep,
Where the coke
I said the chicken well, Papa.
Yeah, man.
Where's the Coca-Cola?
Send that, man, you know. Straight center.
Where's the Coke?
that, sir? What's that? Trenton. Yeah, what kind of Trenton? Sure. You hold on, Al. Oh, wow. Jesus, you don't want please let me sample that.
Peace and love. Hello. Alright, nice face. Alright, nice face. Peace and
Yeah,
love.
man, left that one.
Alright.
No, touch a board. Bigger piece. Bigger that little piece of sample. Oh, even better. Thank you, sir. Jack Trenton. It's so tender. And I like a little more season, maybe it's a piece that I get. This has been Pan 2024. Thank you everybody for watching. Big up CB, big up all of the brand CB Foods for bringing us out here. We're touching the road, we're going to do more stuff. So look out.